Hey guys, today we're going to be testing out my theory on why this steel blower is smoking, which is because of the fuel and oil mixture. I really do believe that the fuel isn't getting, or the oil is not getting burned off, it's not burning hot enough, or there's too much oil involved in the system. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is take my little 2-gallon gas can, go get it filled up with some higher octane fuel, mix it a little bit lower on the oil. Instead of doing it for 2.5 gallons, we're going to do it only for like 2 gallons, something like that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to start fresh and dump all of what's left, which is like barely anything, into the big gas can. And this will get mixed with other gas and it won't be any kind of issue. This just goes into like lawnmowers and stuff like that. Alright, there she is. She's empty. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to go ahead and go pick up some new oil. And there you can see there's a gas to oil mixture. So we need 5.12 ounces of oil to go with our 2-gallon gas can. Alright, so as you can see on the actual oil mixed bottle that we got to use, it says completely different from what the Google says. So this says for a 50-to-1 ratio, you want one of these bottles for 3 gallons of gas. Well, I got a 2.5-gallon jug, so I'm going to use just less than this bottle. Alright, so we're back at the house and we're going to do the same kind of thing that we did the last time with the fuel. We're going to go ahead and dump the fuel out into a pan and then add the new fuel mixture, which is the 93 octane, and we're going to go ahead and run it and see how well it does. Alright, well, after running it for only about like 5 or so minutes, the fuel was the main player in the whole entire issue with this, because as soon as I put the 93 octane with the oil mix, almost virtually all that smoke went away. And there's still some residual smoke, but it's burning off all the oil that was in the exhaust muffler area. And when that's getting heated up, obviously it's going to smoke out just like like a car, something like that. If you spill oil on a car engine, it's going to smoke for a little bit after because it's burning off the oil. So this was a great find. This thing was only $20, and the guy said he hasn't ran it for the past year because it was really rough. It wasn't running right, smoking a lot, so he wanted to get rid of it. So for $20, got a new blower, fixed it up, cleaned out the carburetor like I did in the other video, and now we've solved the smoke issue. It just needs the higher octane fuel. So there you go. I mean, that's clear evidence right there. You guys saw it smoking when we first started it. Still smoked heavily afterwards. We cleaned everything out, checked all the cylinder and everything looked good. And now we used the 30 octane with a little bit less oil in there. We got the 50-to-1 mix with the 2-gallon gas can, and now we're not running with any smoke. So I hope you guys liked the little evidence right there and got to see. So if you guys have a small engine, you guys can try something different with the fuel oil mixture. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button, share it around, and like always, if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video.